Good morning. Today we will be working on a Sportster. This is a 2005 XL 1200. What we will be doing is bleeding the rear brakes and the front brakes. With a 5/16 open end, we're going to crack the bleeder and bleed these brakes. I'm going to show you a method where you pump the pedal, hold it down, crack the bleeder, and then close it, pump the brake, hold it down, crack the bleeder, close it, and your brakes should be bled. Alright, the first thing I want to do is check the fluid and see what fluid we're using. I got a piece of cardboard, I'm going to put that on the ground. Here is our cap for our rear brake. This is the reservoir. On it will state what fluid. We take it off. You notice our fluid is right in the middle. You'll see the line here and there. It's right in the middle. And the fluid does look clean. Now as you see on this cover, you'll see .5. Very important. .3 can stain the paint. Be careful. With that, I'm going to put it down. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but the fluid is right at that top line. So we're all right with that. You must make sure when you bleed your brakes, you never let this fluid go below this level. If it does, then you'll have air, and that will be the beginning of a headache. All right, with that, we're going to go to your rear caliper. All right, now here is your rear caliper. Now your bleeder is right here. Pop this off and just slide it to the side. I slide it right to the back because I really, with the 5/16, it's kind of hard to see. But I really do want you to see this. With a 5/16 box, just get the feel for opening and shutting, opening and shutting. I'm going to get on the other side of the bike, and with my right foot, with that I'm going to press the foot brake down and get pressure in the system. With that I'm going to press the brake lever 5 times and keep it down, crack this, and lock. Then repump 5 times, leave it down, have pressure on that brake pedal, crack this. We're going to do that a few times. Usually I like to do it 3 to 5 times. You'll feel the pedal get hard. Alright, I'm on this side of the bike. I really want you to see this, guys. Bike's gonna move a little bit because I got it straddled. I pump it once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5. I keep it down. Now you'll feel the pedal go down. I pump it once, twice, 3 times, 4. Now, I just wanted to show you. Usually, I would take a paper towel, go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold it down. You'll feel the pedal go down. Now, the fluid will get caught in here. That's the way to do it, but I have to show you. So, you'll feel your pedal will get hard. You only got to do it a few times. And that's done. That is bled. Tight. Let's get this, clean it. Like I said, usually I'd have this paper towel over this, like this. Usually I have it like that. Have somebody else pump it, tell them to hold it down, crack it. Pump it, hold it down, crack it. do it fast. The less fluid you lose. Usually the air will work its way to the top. Okay, with that, it's nice and tight. Now let's put the protector back on the bleeder. I got some .5. AutoZone. It's good stuff. It's purple, but same stuff. You will see it'll mix right up. Synthetic. I'll put your cap back on. Now we're going to go to the front. Now here's our caliper. Here's the cover for our bleeder. Peel it back. There's our 5/16, like we did in the rear. Let's just get used to. Locked, unlocked. Unlocked, locked. All right, with that, now we got the feel for that. Because that's all it is. And that's it. That's it. That is it. Now let's go look at our master cylinder. All right, what we're going to do is check this fluid. This is .5. Let's just take a look at it. Sometimes just take a look real bad. All right, .5. She looks great. Okay. Let's screw it back on. There's a rubber seal here. Don't get crazy. Hand tight. Now we'll make sure you put a towel down on the side of caution. I know it's .5, but you don't know. Someone could change the fluid out and put .3, and it just becomes a real horror show. So, all right, let's bleed the front brakes. I squeeze it once, twice, 3, 4, 5. And like I said, once, twice, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's all. For the purpose of showing you guys, I did not, but usually I would have a rag here. And then crack and let go. And it would all get caught in the rag. Pump it up, hold the brake handle, crack the bleeder. What this is doing is you are getting air will usually build up at the top because air will rise. So when you pump it up, you're putting a pressure on it, you open up this valve and the air escapes. Air tends to compress, where the fluid is much more stable. So the air is what creates a spongy pedal. So if you understand that in the rear brakes, front brakes, any brakes, if there's air in the system, it gets to be a spongy system. Now this, you'll notice, you will get your front brake handle to be solid. You will get your rear foot brake to be solid. And that's what you want. I hope this helps. All right, this is the handle here. You can see in the window, fluid's nice. You can see that's a nice handle. That's a nice handle. That's what you want. When you're riding, you hit it, you have it. Okay. Now the foot one. Here is your foot. Here's your rear brake. As you see, that's a solid pedal. And that's all it takes, just to get that little bit of air. Sometimes when you swap out the fluid, do a fluid change, let the bike sit, let all the air rise and do its thing, and then bleed them. But you could pretty much prime up these systems by taking the fluid out of the reserve, pouring fresh in, pumping it through, and doing that. As the fluid lowers, put more in, and just cycle it through until you have clean fluid at your caliper. All right, if you have any questions, just ask. And please, if you could, subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment if I forgot something or you have a better way or a different way. Thank you, ride safe, and have a great day.